Hi, my name's Tom Weeks. My current occupation is a purchasing planner and stock management. The course I went on this week was a 5-day intensive course for SQL database management. The tutor, Kashifi, was very knowledgeable, really helpful, basically gave me a really good sort of base understanding of SQL databases and sort of given me the tools and the material to go forwards and learn further in the future, along with obviously practice. I'd definitely recommend this course to anyone who's had any previous experiences with SQL, and also anyone who's not really had much experience and is looking for a good place to start.